Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to see how you can do Zoom integration within WPG. So maybe we have had the Zoom video earlier with the WPG integration, but this is a new video because the Zoom has changed their API. So do check it out this video if you want to upgrade the Zoom integration with the latest WPG. So you need to go to zoom.com, log in and then go to develop drop down, build app and click select server to server app. Give your Zoom app a name that you want to give, like WPG or whatever your Gym name is. You can just create a GymX app or something like that. And once you add that, it will give you the app credentials. So these credentials you need to put in WPG, right? So let's just go back to WPG admin general settings, and you will find the virtual class schedule setting. That's where we need to copy the account ID, the client ID, and the client secret key. So these data is actually necessary for handshake between the WPG and the Zoom, right? So this sets up the handshake mechanism between WPG and the Zoom. And now once we are done, we can just click on continue, and it will ask us to add some description and the company name. So give some description of your gym and company name, your gym or trainer company name, and then it will give you again some tokens, but that's not be useful. So just click on continue. Here is important, so you need to add the scope for Zoom meeting. We need to create and accept all the meeting related parameters. So click on the meeting in the Zoom on the left side and select all meetings checkbox, so that all meeting related parameters are configured and can be controlled with the WPG remotely through the API calls in the backend. So these are the checkboxes that we have to do, and just click on submit, and then you can activate your app. So once you activate your app, it will be ready to accept the remote Zoom meeting creation and things like that through WPG. So now let's go back to WPG, click on class schedule. Let's create some virtual class, right? The virtual class would be ideally the class where you want to have the Zoom meeting incorporated by default, right? So we're going to select trainer, give the class name, and whether you have a different membership just for the remote training, so that you can also create it that way. And then you can give all the different parameters like start date and time and things like that, so your virtual training session is configured properly within the system, right? You can define the class capacity and things like that as well, whether you want a front-end class booking. So just make sure you check the create virtual class checkbox. So we have just enabled it. So once you click on add class, it automatically creates a Zoom meeting for this virtual class. So let's just go and check where we have created this class. So it's a Monday class between 14 to 24 July, 4 to 6 p.m. And if we go, if you so start virtual class button from the three dot menu is where, as a gym trainer, you will start the class, right? And once you join the Zoom, you can start doing the remote session with all the people that has signed up for that particular class, right? So this is how easy it is to conduct the virtual classes for your fitness business. And you can do this for any country remotely, right? So you can attract the foreign fitness enthusiasts as well. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.